All right, it's Wednesday. I think we're going to leave Warderick Wells, go up to Shroud Cay, a little washing machine there today. And then we got some weather coming, some big winds. So I think we're gonna try and tuck in at Norman's Pond. I'm not really sure, never been there, but tough to leave this place. It's pretty nice here and we got a great spot. And it's also a little unnerving when none of the other boats are leaving and you're like, okay, do they know something I don't know? Like, should we be hunkered down here for the day?
Why are you standing up and eating, crew? It's because our cushions are wet. Good morning.
Someday we'll have a full enclosure.
Full enclosure.
With a disco light. It'll be like a party.
Party.
All right, engine's on. Here we go. Just a little different setup. We're not anchored, so we gotta take out these mooring lines. So we wanna go out this way. So Mom's gonna take hers off first. And Crew's gonna take hers off once we start shifting.
Call me a her.
Let's go. Go for it, Mom.
You just called me a her.
All right, we made it out of there. 13 feet below the keel now, so we should be good. We gotta go around this loop. Past all those boats though. So wish us luck. Alright, we're sailing along. Got a little current in our face. The tide's going out there. We're going into it. It's really going about 4 knots. Alright, looks like we're gonna get some weather. Oh, get some rain moving in. That's alright. Let's go see what everybody else is doing. Lily's on tech. Mom's playing PlayStation. Oh, never mind. I lied. Lily's doing school. It's like Crew and Miles are doing school on the TV today. Let's find Mom. She made some bread.
Oh.
Oh, she's not gonna be happy the bed's not made.
What?
Oh, the bed's not made. What are you doing, surgery?
I stepped on a piece of glass and I'm trying to get
More
it out.
glass?
Yes.
Oh,
I know, it hurts.
the dental picks.
Yeah, but the
Alright.
bed's not made because the kids were playing in it.
Right. Going back up.
Why don't you highlight the good things?
That's why I came to talk to you. Banana pancakes. Banana pancakes. Where are you? All right, quick little update. Still heading north. I was getting a little concerned because I'm not seeing any boats heading this way. They're all going the other way because we got this big storm coming in. But then I looked back. I saw one boat over there. And it's a moorings charter boat. And now I'm even more concerned I'm going the wrong way.
Tell us, where are we going?
Shroud Cay.
Shroud Cay.
Key.
Ooh, Shroud Cay.
I guess it's key. It's spelled like a K.
It's very confusing. We'll be salty someday. All right, where is it? Are we close?
Up ahead. Look at that, guys. Hell no, I'd never be caught on that piece of shit. Looks like we made it. It's Shroud Cay. Gonna do the washing machine once we get there.
Here we are at Shroud Island. Shroud Cay. Ah, dang it, Key.
He is getting so good at this. Oh, got the supervisor out and about.
Lots of space.
Lots of space is right. Everybody's left us. We're going to the washing machine. And it's cold.
Yeah. Where are we going, Dad?
The washing machine. Got a lot of dirty laundry.
It's a little chilly today, but not for this guy. Dad's doing a little map check
Never too early.
so that we know where we're going.
Where are we going?
We don't know. All right, well, we got the gas tank filled up now.
We're ready to go.
It's pouring rain, but we're warm. All right, well, Miles just peed in his wetsuit, so he's warming himself up. We tried to go in this way, but the current was going against us, so.
I know it's too shallow.
And it's too shallow. All right, we found another entrance. We're gonna give this way a go. This is cool.
An outfit change, really?
Just float, please. What? Will you just float, please? Honey, come on. Stick together. Wow, that's cool. We just got pushed into the sand. Okay.
Jump off a cliff. We have to swim to the other beach first.
Oh no. Oh.
We're gonna try again. Sorry.
It's one way to get out of it.
What just happened, Miles?
They didn't make it.
Yeah, there's a current right here, and they didn't make it. That's funny, so they gotta do it again.
Here goes Miles. Woo-hoo! All right, there goes Lily the Fearless. Woo-hoo! Good job, Lily!
Again, I'm gonna see if you're all the way here, Lily. Okay, do you need my hand or are you gonna extend it? Make sure you jump out, sister. Go. I forgot my goggles. I also have my eyes under the water. Because I'm a bogey. I don't need stuff.
1, 2, 3.
We're going, Miles. Swimming across. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? Looks like Miles made it. Mom made it. All right, here we go, guys. All accounted for. In the Bahamas. It's filming, let's go. Oh! Oh, where's she at? There she is. Nice job. All right, Mom. Oh.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Mom's cold.
Flip it up and down and way back again.
I'm hot. 2 ways.
All right, we got back from the washing machine.
Yes.
It's freezing out there.
It was so cold.
Mom is making soup.
Potato soup.
It's freezing in the Bahamas.
Guys, it's a bomb. It's colder than we like.
It's colder than we're used to. There's some big winds coming tomorrow, so we gotta find a spot in the morning to hunker down. I think we're gonna go to the south, Norman's Cay, Norman's Key. We'll see.